Hey guys! Today we're going to be doing Calculator versus Washing Machine WM6700HBA. So this was in the video Calculators versus Washing Machine WM3400CW. So yeah, this was the only winner. And yeah, so we're going to start it. We're going to throw this in. Start it. Oh my goodness. Oh, hi, Izzy. You're okay. Look who decided to join. The cat. You scared me. I didn't know what you were going to do. Sorry, Izzy. Okay, now we're going to pick the lock. Oh wait, actually, I will fill this up with soap. Don't mind me, Izzy. Hey, Izzy. Izzy, come here. Izzy. Izzy. Hi. Yeah?
How many Cokes do you want?
I'll take 2. Also 2. Sorry about that. I just filled that up. The cat just decided to use a litter box. And we're gonna start. Oh, this is too loud. Okay, that's so loud. 27 minutes? Oh, whatever. I'll do it for you guys. Why do I just love this laser pointer? Even though it's just a heat gun. Or not. Thermometer. There we go. Auto detergent dispensing. Oh my gosh, it's actually dirty. At least the cat isn't here. She'd be going nuts. Okay. Okay, today, or this cycle will be 2 hard. Oh. also, I love the fact that I can have my camera I have it set so that it asks me to level it. Okay, so our water is about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, detecting soil level. Okay, so hopefully this goes fast. Optimizing AI wash. Unfortunately, our washer at home doesn't do this. Yeah, just pop the bubble. Pew, 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 pew. Ugh. There we go. I think I have the soap level set on this too high. I'm not sure. Can you see the turbo wash jets really well on that? I'm not sure. Is it better if it's closer? How much suds there is already. Oh my gosh. Oh, to the person who said, please, next time you use the shoe, there you go. Look at this. Oh my. I saw on a YouTube video. I was watching a video of, oh my gosh, no, on those Suds. I was watching a video of a LG washer in the UK, and those things are small. I don't understand. Like I understand. Like I'm not sure why it's so small. Oh no! I hope that. But I'm just detecting soil level. I'm assuming that the reason why they're so small is because a lot of people have them like in their kitchen. But I mean, if I was in the UK, I mean, I don't need a small like if I like right now my family is a family of 4. We do about 10 loads of laundry a week. So 4 loads like our clothes, towels, and 1 load towels, and then 3 loads my sheets. So we did quite a bit of laundry, and I am running out of active tub cleaning tablets. So, but I have a couple more, but I'm hoping to get some more. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, wait. No, we don't need to be filling. Okay, you're good. Okay, good. Thank you. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be a fun spin. Oh. I think I'm okay with moving this a little bit more forward. Also, by the way, do you guys care about seeing the time remaining, or do you just care about the drum? Let me know in the comments section, and I will try to do I'll try to do what you asked for. Don't forget, I always read your comments, and I will heart almost every single one, unless I'm not sure about it. But usually I will heart them all. So I will. That's just unless I get like 200 comments, then it's kind of hard. But I mean, I could do it. Okay, we're getting suds. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're done washing. There we go. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna pause it and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Anyways, now I'm filling up a bucket and I'm hoping to try to help lower the amount of suds that are in there. you guys back while I do this. Well, that did not go as I hoped. Anyways, the suds are a little bit less thick. Or they're, how do I say it? I don't know how you would say it. But I'm going to okay, I'll just let it happen. There we go. Okay, then the spray rinse may help a little. Oh, by the way, I did make it a rule that my German airport can't use fabric softener on this washer. There we go. What are you doing? There we go. Okay, you can go. I'm almost at 100. Oh. Shh. Go. I know, but I'm busy right now. Tell them I'll be up in like 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. Fine, 1 minute. Okay, while we're doing the ceaseless delay, I don't know, but we're not getting any sort of light yet. Well, maybe dead. Now we're swatching. So is this light even hot? A little bit. Yep. And I'll let this be final spin. Okay, I was actually about to think that this rinse is gonna be just completely suds. Okay, how to go now? I trust it. what that was. Okay. There we go. Right now I can just clip it right back in. Anyways, I'm gonna post another video, try to fix this, and whoops. And yeah, anyways, that's it. Bye.